Hello guys, today we are talking about Temu. Is it worth it to buy on Temu? What do you think? If you want, you can write it in the comments. I have already tried several times to buy something on Temu, and I can tell you I never used something like free gifts, free shipping or any other crazy offers they are doing, because I have the opinion that nothing is for free. So why should a business company give you something for free? It can only have one or two reasons. One is to buy other things and give it as a plus, and the other thing could be a scam, of course. But as I know, this is not really a scam, but it's not often the same product as it is in the ads. So it could be a very low quality tablet, for example, which they are offering for free. But I don't want to blame or say something about Temu because I have not the right to do this. I have also good experience with Temu because I already bought different products on Temu. For example, I was buying a shoe rack, which was very nice and very easy to assemble, and also some other small stuff like crafting supplies, maybe also some toys, and even clothing was not bad. It was not stinky or smell very bad. If some clothing didn't fit myself, I just give it to my friends or some relatives. I was a little bit disappointed about the shoes because I was expecting, yes, let's say middle quality shoes, but I haven't get this. It was very low quality, even lower if I buy shoes in Germany, for example, for very low money in the cheapest store. It's even lower than that, and that was a little bit disappointing. Maybe it was just the product I was buying, I don't know, but for shoes I cannot tell you buy shoes on Temu. It's not what my experience says. But for other stuff like small stuff or even trying some clothing, and the shoe rack, as I said, was very nice. And if you want to get fast delivery, just use local stores and yes, find products from there. Then it's only a few days and it's already here. Yeah, that's basically what I think about Temu in total. If you want, let me know in the comments about your experience. It would be very interesting for me and also for other people, I think. Let's see what the future about online shopping will bring us. I'm excited. Thanks for watching.